Hey there, everyone, it's Joanna. Today, we're diving into a topic that often gets overlooked but is incredibly important, your entryway. Let's talk about entryways. You know, that space that greets you when you walk through the door. It's more than just a passage, it's the first impression of your home. It's the first impression of your home, right? When guests walk in, the entryway is the first thing they see, and it sets the tone for the rest of your space. It doesn't have to be a grand foyer to make a statement. Even a small entryway can be impactful with the right design elements. Even a small entryway can be stylish and functional. Think about incorporating storage solutions like hooks, shelves, and baskets to keep things organized. It's all about creating a space that feels warm, inviting, and reflects your personality. Personal touches like family photos, artwork, or a unique piece of furniture can make a big difference. Think of it as a little preview of what's to come in the rest of your home. Your entryway should hint at the style and decor of your entire house. A well-designed entryway sets the tone for your entire space. It can make your home feel more cohesive and welcoming. So, are you ready to give your entryway some love? Let's explore some tips and tricks to transform this often neglected space. Let's dive into some amazing ideas. First, consider the color scheme. A fresh coat of paint can do wonders. Choose colors that complement the rest of your home, but also make the entryway stand out. Don't be afraid to go bold with a statement wall or vibrant accents. This can add a pop of personality and make the space feel more dynamic. Next, think about furniture. A small bench or a console table can be both functional and stylish. It provides a place to sit while putting on shoes or a spot to drop your keys and mail. Lighting is another crucial element. Good lighting can make your entryway feel more inviting. Consider a chandelier, pendant light, or even some stylish wall sconces. Mirrors are fantastic for entryways. They not only make the space look bigger, but also allow you to have a last-minute check before heading out. Don't forget about greenery. Adding plants can bring life to your entryway and make it feel more welcoming. Choose low-maintenance plants if you don't have a green thumb. Lastly, consider changing up your decor seasonally. This keeps the space feeling fresh and exciting. Whether it's a wreath for the holidays or fresh flowers in the spring, small changes can have a big impact. I hope these ideas have inspired you to rethink your entryway. It's a small space with big potential, and with a little effort, you can make it truly special. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your entryway makeover today and create a welcoming space that you'll love coming home to every day. Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home decor tips. See you next time. You don't need a big budget to create a stylish entryway. Some of my favorite design tricks are easy on the wallet. Think about adding a fresh coat of paint. A bold color can instantly transform the space. Look for unique finds at flea markets or thrift stores. You can find amazing vintage pieces that add character. And don't underestimate the power of DIY. Get creative with stencils, fabric scraps, or even repurposed materials. Mirrors are like magic. They have the incredible ability to transform any space, especially entryways, which are often the first impression of your home. By strategically placing a mirror in your entryway, you can instantly make the area feel larger and brighter. The reflective surface bounces light around the room, creating an illusion of more space and adding a touch of elegance. A large mirror on the wall not only reflects light, but also enhances the overall ambiance of the entryway. It can make a narrow hallway appear wider, and a small foyer feel more expansive. The key is to position it where it can catch and reflect natural light, or even the light from a chandelier or lamp. Plus, it's a great way to do a last-minute outfit check before you head out the door. Whether you're adjusting your tie, fixing your hair, or just making sure everything is in place, a mirror in the entryway is both functional and stylish. You can go for a statement mirror with an ornate frame, which adds a touch of sophistication and can serve as a focal point in your entryway. An intricately designed frame can bring in a sense of history and character, making your space feel unique and personalized. Or keep it simple with a sleek, modern design. A minimalist mirror with clean lines can complement a contemporary decor style, providing a chic and understated elegance that doesn't overwhelm the space. And don't be afraid to play with shapes and sizes. Mirrors come in a variety of forms, from round to rectangular and even abstract shapes. Mixing different shapes can add visual interest and make your entryway stand out. A grouping of smaller mirrors can create a cool, eclectic vibe. By arranging multiple mirrors of different sizes and styles, you can create a gallery wall effect that is both artistic and functional. This approach allows you to express your creativity and make a bold design statement. Plants add life and freshness to any space, and your entryway is no exception. A tall potted plant can create a dramatic focal point. Or, try a collection of smaller plants on a shelf or console table. If you don't have a green thumb, no worries. There are plenty of low-maintenance options like succulents or snake plants. And remember, even a vase of fresh flowers can brighten up the space and make it feel more inviting. Section 5. Statement pieces, furniture that wows. Sometimes all it takes is one statement piece to elevate your entryway. A vintage dresser can double as a stylish console table. Or how about a bold patterned bench? Look for pieces with unique details like carved wood or interesting hardware. These little touches add personality and charm. And hey, don't be afraid to mix and match different styles. A modern console table can look amazing with a pair of vintage chairs. Section 6. Designer lighting, setting the mood. Lighting is so important. It's not just about illuminating a space. It's about creating an atmosphere, setting a tone, and making a statement. The right lighting can transform an ordinary entryway into a welcoming, stylish, and functional space. It can make or break a space. A well-lit entryway feels inviting and safe, while a poorly lit one can feel unwelcoming and even a bit eerie. The difference is night and day, quite literally. A statement chandelier can add instant glamour to your entryway. Imagine walking into a space where a beautiful chandelier catches your eye immediately. It sets the tone for the rest of your home, giving a hint of the style and elegance that lies beyond. Or try a pair of sconces for a more elegant touch. Sconces can provide soft, ambient lighting that creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. They are perfect for adding a touch of sophistication without overwhelming the space. If your entryway is small, consider using a table lamp on a console table. This not only saves space, but also adds a decorative element to your entryway. Choose a lamp that complements your decor and provides enough light to make the space feel cozy and inviting. It's a great way to add a warm, inviting glow. A table lamp can create a focal point in your entryway, drawing attention to a beautiful console table or a piece of art. It's all about creating layers of light that make the space feel dynamic and interesting. And don't forget about natural light. Natural light can make a space feel larger, brighter, and more welcoming. It's the best kind of light you can have, and it's free. If you have windows in your entryway, make the most of them. Position mirrors to reflect the light and make the space feel even brighter. Use light, airy curtains that let the light filter through while still providing some privacy. Keep the curtains open during the day to let the sunshine in. Natural light not only brightens up the space, but also highlights the beauty of your decor. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance the mood of your entryway. Section 7. Organization Essentials. Taming the Chaos. Let's face it, entryways can easily become a dumping ground for shoes, bags, and coats. But don't worry, there are plenty of stylish and functional ways to keep things organized. A console table with drawers provides storage for keys, mail, and other essentials. And a stylish coat rack keeps jackets and bags off the floor. You can also add baskets or bins for shoes. Choose ones that complement your decor and keep everything tidy. Section 8. Artful Expressions, Showcasing Your Personality. Your entryway is the perfect place to showcase your personality through art. Create a gallery wall with a mix of framed prints, paintings, and photographs, or hang a large statement piece that draws the eye. Don't be afraid to think outside the box. You can even use textiles, tapestries, or vintage maps as art. The key is to choose pieces that you love and that reflect your unique style. Section 9. Rugs. A warm welcome underfoot. A rug can instantly warm up your entryway and make it feel more inviting. Choose a rug that's both stylish and durable. A natural fiber rug, like jute or sisal, is a great option. If you prefer something softer underfoot, consider a wool or cotton rug. And don't be afraid to play with patterns and colors. A bold rug can add a pop of personality to a neutral entryway. Section 10. Unique accessories, adding your signature touch. It's the little details that make a house a home, right? Add your personal touch to your entryway with unique accessories. A vintage bowl can hold keys or mail. A stack of books adds a touch of personality. And a few candles create a warm and inviting ambiance. Don't be afraid to have fun with it. This is your chance to let your personality shine through. Section 11. Your entryway, your style. Embrace your vision. Remember, there are no hard and fast rules when it comes to designing your entryway. The most important thing is to create a space that feels welcoming and reflects your personal style. So, have fun with it. Experiment with different ideas. Mix and match styles. And don't be afraid to make it your own. Your entryway should be a reflection of you and your home. So, let your creativity run wild. Happy decorating, everyone!